Have you been frustrated because your Divi theme crashes, stalls, freezes, won't load, or runs excruciatingly slow? Let me tell you, it's not Divi. Most likely, it's your hosting, and I may have a simple 3-step fix for you. Let me show you how. Here's all you need to do. Log into your WordPress dashboard and select Divi Support Center. Under System Status, you'll see the current settings and the recommended ones. If you don't see these recommendations, you're all set. Otherwise, you need to change them in your hosting account, and it's probably the root of your issues. Let's go through this step by step. Once you log into your hosting account and go to Manage Hosting, click on cPanel. Scroll down to the Software section and click on System PHP version. Once there, select Options. The first one we need to change is the post max size to 64. Just like this. The next one is max execution time. Set it to 120. And then finally, the upload max file size needs to be updated to 64. And there you go. You should see a success message at the top. That's all you need to do. Let's go back and check the updated system status in Divi support. Voila! Congratulations, all systems passed. Your hosting configuration is compatible with Divi. It's my goal to support you and help you break through to your creative transformation, making a real difference in your business. Think different, to quote Apple's brilliant marketing. It's advice worth taking very seriously. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by clicking like and consider subscribing for tips and tutorials on your website, Divi theme, and business. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me today. God bless.